Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we are going to take our empty Ferrero Rocher boxes and using some dollar store materials, we will transform them into beautiful storage containers and trays and keepsake boxes. To start, I'm going to show you how to remove the Ferrero Rocher label from the box. All you need is a few strips of packing tape. Place a strip on top of the label and using the warmth of your hands, rub the tape into the container to warm things up. The heat from your hands will transfer to the tape and the box, making it easier to remove the label. Rub for about 10 to 15 seconds and then peel back a bit of the tape. If the label does not come off, reapply the tape and continue rubbing it down for another 15 seconds. You may need to apply a few strips of the tape to remove the entire label. And here you can see how easy it was to remove the entire label in just about a minute or two. The other label I have here is a sticker that can be easily picked off with your fingers. Now we can start working on the cover of the box. We are going to apply a generous layer of gold glitter onto the inside of the box using some Mod Podge. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. And once you are satisfied with the amount of glitter placed onto the cover, go in with a final coat of Mod Podge to seal everything in. And don't worry because the Mod Podge will dry clear. For mine, I decided to let it dry overnight. While the cover dries, let's take the bottom cover and embellish that with some leftover glitter paper. Besides how pretty the glitter paper is, the reason why I like working with glitter paper is how forgiving it is. You can see here I'm using some leftover scraps, and even though my big pieces won't exactly cover the entire area I need it to cover, I can simply cut out an extra bit of glitter paper and fit it in like a puzzle. Because of the glitter, you can't even tell that it isn't one piece. To adhere the glitter paper, I'll be using some clear tacky glue. That way I have enough time to position the paper before it dries completely. Just beware that if you choose to use hot glue instead, you will need to work very quickly as the glue will dry almost instantly. And here you can see I have actually left the center part of the tray empty as we are going to make this into a mirrored tray. Here are a couple of frameless mirrors that will fit inside the tray. These mirrors measure 4 by 4 inches and were ordered on Amazon. When bought in bulk, they came to about 50 cents a piece, much cheaper than what you would find at the dollar store. If you want to order some yourself, I will leave a link to my Amazon store down in the description box. Here I'm also going to apply some glitter ribbon to the sides of the box. And then to cover the seams, I'll add a string of silver beaded necklace as well. For the outside of the box, we will apply a beautiful silver rhinestone ribbon to the sides. This ribbon was also purchased on Amazon, and you can check it out from my Amazon store posted in the description box down below. You can see here the ribbon is very flexible and will adhere with a little bit of hot glue. It can also be easily cut to size. To add more embellishments, we will use the same silver beaded necklace as well on the outside of the box. And here is what the tray looks like so far. And here is what the tray looks like so far. If you're happy with the way it looks, you can leave it as is. But for me, I would like to add some height to the tray, so we are going to add some legs to it using 4 silver napkin holders. If you don't have any on hand, you can also opt to use 4 small silver Christmas ornament balls. Or if you really want to amp up the glam factor, you can choose to add 4 crystal doorknobs as legs. And here is what the mirror tray looks like. It's all glittered and glammed and ready for use. Put it on a side table and fill it with your favorite jewelry or place a vase of flowers on it. The options on how to showcase the tray are limitless. And if you want to cover the tray and turn it into a keepsake box with a lid, we can take the lid from earlier and continue to embellish the outside of it. We are going to take some silver plastic spoons from the Dollar Tree, remove the round part, and apply the handle part all along the 4 sides of the tray. If you really want to amp up the glam factor, you can also opt to apply some clear round gem stickers along the handle like I have. To adhere the spoons, simply apply a small dollop of hot glue to either ends. If you don't have any silver plastic spoons on hand though, you can embellish the sides of the tray with some silver ribbon, some gem stickers, or some flat back gems. You will see shortly that I'm adding a few square loose flat back gems that have a crystal-like look. And here's what our box looks like with the lid. This box can be moved from room to room and can be used to store old postcards, letters, or family recipes. For our next tray, we are going to take another empty Ferrero Rocher box, which is slightly larger than our first box. Take either the bottom or top and trace out a sheet of craft paper to insert to the inside. For our next tray, we are going to use another empty Ferrero Rocher box, which is slightly larger than our first box. Take either the bottom or top and trace out a sheet of craft paper to insert into this inside. To set the craft paper inside the tray, we are going to adhere it with some clear tacky glue. The craft paper I used is gray with a beautiful white design. To frame the bottom of the tray, we are also going to apply this gem sticker from the dollar store as a border. It will also act as a camouflage by covering the edges of the paper in case the paper was not cut exactly straight. Similar to the lid that we previously embellished, we will be adhering some silver spoon handles to the outside of this tray as well. And here's what the tray looks like so far. And once again, we will be adhering some legs with the same napkin holders, one for each of the 4 corners on the bottom of the box. And here's what our second tray looks like. But we're not done yet. We are going to then rest the glitter cover we made earlier on top. Now you have a two-level tray to display your jewelry or keepsakes. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like the best. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and check out these additional videos for more ideas of what you can create with your empty Ferrero Rocher boxes.